Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain the top 5 most common faults in refrigeration systems and how you can fix them easily. Whether you're a technician or a beginner, this guide is going to help you a lot. So your AC isn't cooling properly and the suction pressure is low? Yeah, that's a sign of low refrigerant charge. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Identify the leak using a leak detector or soap water. We are finding leaks, not just guessing. Step 2. Fix the leak and recharge the refrigerant using proper tools. Perfect time to ensure everything is sealed tight. Final step. Test the system to make sure it's cooling efficiently. Boom! Cool air. No sweat required. Y'all feel that? Enjoy your perfectly cooled space. Or keep sweating. Your choice. Ever wonder why your AC isn't cooling like it used to? Chances are, dirty condenser coils are the culprit. Dust and dirt buildup leads to high head pressure and poor cooling. The fix? Clean those coils with a coil cleaner or brush. Make this a regular habit to boost efficiency and avoid compressor overload. Trust me, your AC will thank you. Ever wonder why your thermostat isn't turning on or off at the right temperature? It's probably a faulty or miscalibrated thermostat causing the issue. First, check your thermostat settings and replace it if needed. Then, grab a multimeter to test for continuity. Fix it and enjoy the perfect temperature at home. Ever notice frost on your evaporator and low cooling? Yeah, that's a blocked expansion valve or capillary tube issue. Step 1. Flush the system to clear out moisture or debris. We are cleaning, not just hoping for the best. Step 2. Clean or replace the valve. Perfect time to prevent future clogs with a filter dryer. Final step. Ensure everything's running smoothly. Boom! Problem solved, efficiency restored. Y'all see this? Keep your system in top shape. Or keep struggling with low cooling. Your choice. Ever had your AC quit on you in the middle of a heat wave? Yeah, that's a faulty compressor for you. Here's how to tackle it. First, check for no cooling, tripping breakers, or loud noises. These are signs of electrical failure or mechanical damage. Grab a clamp meter and check the current draw. If it's defective, replace the compressor carefully. Remember to handle refrigerant properly. It's crucial. And just like that, you're back to chillin' in no time. Need help? Call a pro or keep sweating. Your choice. These are the most common refrigeration system problems I've seen in the field. By understanding these faults, you'll save time and avoid major breakdowns. Like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC tips.